This is Educational Word Selection. Welcome to this video lesson. Still on foundational mathematics and solving equation series, we're looking at what we call mathematical expressions. So our topic today is understanding expressions. So what are mathematical expressions? So we are going to find out what they are in this lesson. Let's delve right in. So introducing expressions. A circle weighs C and a triangle weighs T. As you can see, we have one circle and two triangles on this scale. So what is the total weight on the scale? So we are going to express them in terms of C and T. It's going to be C plus 2T. Exactly. So let's check for the correctness of the answer. That's correct. Let's continue. So an expression connects numbers and variables with operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In the previous problem, we created an expression which is C plus 2T to represent the combined weight of a circle and two triangles. So an expression connects numbers and variables with an operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now look at this problem. A circle weighs 10 kg and a triangle weighs T. What is the total weight on the scale in terms of T? So circle weighs 10. So this is going to be 10 plus 2T. All right. That's the total weight on the scale. It's going to be 10 plus 2T. That's it. Let's check for the correctness. And that's correct. As you can see. Let's continue. Expressions help us to describe combinations of known and unknown values. So next we'll be looking at a different visual representation of expressions. Let's continue with the lesson. So I'm going to use bar models in this case now. So far we've used weights to understand variables and expressions. We can also represent expressions with bar models that have pieces of various lengths. So now look at this here. We have C, T, and T. This is an example of a bar model. Let's continue. Now, which expression does the bar model represent? So this bar model represents 16. We have 16 and R. So 4R and 16. So this is 16 plus 4R. 16 plus 4R. That is it. All right. So which expression does the bar model represent? So in this case, we have 6 and 3 A's and a B. So it's 6 plus 3A plus B. That is that. Correct. So look at the explanation here. So the bar model has 5 pieces in total, with one length 6, with 3 lengths A and 1 length B. So everything is going to be 6 plus 3A plus B. And that's that. So continuing. So write the expression that the bar model represents in terms of K and J. So in this case now, this bar model represents, we have 40 here, 2 K's and 1 J. So this is going to be here, we're going to have 40 plus 2K and 1J. 1J is just J only. So that's that. That's correct. Now we'll be looking at how to evaluate expressions by replacing variables with numbers. Okay, so we can see how simplified this is in understanding mathematical expressions. Mathematical expressions, they are different from mathematical equations. Expressions are not equated to anything. Expressions are just on their own. But when we have an equal to sign, let's say 40 plus 2k plus j is equal to something, a number or anything, that becomes a mathematical equation. So expressions, they don't have anything they are equated to. All right. So evaluating expressions. Now look at this diagram here. We have 10 plus 4b. So from here to here is 10 and here to here is 4b. So when b is 6, let's drag this thing to his place. So when b is 6, so what is the total expression when b is 6? So we have 10 here. We have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 10 is 34. So when b is 6, the expression 10 plus 4b equals 34. That's correct. Good. All right. So let's continue. Now, in the last problem, we evaluated the expression 10 plus 4b for when b is equal to 6, and the answer gave us 34. Now, when we evaluate an expression, we find the value it has when each variable is equal to a given number. So let's look at this other one here now. So you can see this is 14, 10 here, 14. That means the value of b here is 1. So if we move the value of b to 2, the total expression becomes 18. So 10 plus 4b becomes 18. When we keep increasing the value, you can see the number is changing. You can see it's changing. When b is 6, you can see the value 10 plus 4b is 34. When we increase it to when it's 8 is 42. And when b is 9, the value is now 46. So this is just a way for us to understand mathematical expressions. Now let's look at this. Evaluate the expression 7 plus 5b for when the value of b is 4. So when the value of b is 4, let's drag this slider up to 4. Dragging this slider up to 4, we will see that we have 4 into 5 places. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 times 5 is going to give us 20. All right. So 20 plus 7 is going to give us 27. So the correct answer there is 27. 24. That's 27. And that's correct. So that is that. So evaluate the expression for t when it's equals to 3. So this is 10 plus 3t. So when the value of t is 3, so we have 3, 3, 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 will give us 9. 9 plus 10 will give us 19. And that's correct. See, the explanation is simple, just like we've said so far. So this is 3 plus 3 plus 3. If we are to evaluate it when t is equals to 4, so it becomes 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 10 is what? 22. So, and that is that. Very simple. So, in this lesson, we've explored what is mathematical expressions and how to evaluate them using different values. Thank you for joining me in today's class. I hope you understand this lesson. And don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon, all right, to get more notifications when I upload more videos in this foundational math series. Thank you so much for being with me. Have a wonderful day.